Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Make sure Windows 11 is up to date and you have administrator access, and that any external display is connected and powered. Once done, open Settings, press Win+I or click Start then Settings. Navigate to System immediately. This is where Display and HDR controls live. Make sure you're on the display page and that the correct monitor is selected from the drop-down before moving to the next step. Now you'll find the HDR toggle. With the target monitor selected, scroll down to the Use HDR section. Windows shows HDR availability and an on/off switch. If Use HDR is not visible, open Advanced Display Settings and then Display Adapter Properties for the monitor. Use those options to verify color and bit depth support. Make sure to check both system and individual app HDR controls. If you flip the Use HDR toggle to off to disable HDR system-wide, you'll notice colors update immediately in many apps. After turning it off, close and reopen any video or game apps, or sign out and back in to ensure they pick up the change. If HDR remains active, make sure your GPU driver is current, update it via Device Manager or the vendor app, or roll back if a recent update caused issues. If problems persist, restart Windows to finalize the setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.